All right, let's talk about giving your college a memorable look. That professional vibe that makes people instantly recognize you. It's way, way simpler than you probably think, so let's just dive right in.
So, first question, be honest. Does your college's marketing, the posters, the social media posts, the banners, does it all feel a little all over the place? Like maybe one person designed this and someone else designed that? Look, it's a super common problem, but the fix is actually pretty simple.
To really get why this matters, think about two tea shops. Shop A changes its sign and its cups every single day. It's confusing, right? You never know what you're going to get. But Shop B, it's always the same. Same board, same letters, same cups. It feels professional. It feels trustworthy.
And that is exactly what you want for your college. You want to be Shop B. When people see your look, your colors, your style of writing, they should know instantly that it's you. That kind of consistency doesn't just look professional, it builds a massive amount of trust. So, how do we get there? Well, here's the best part. It all boils down to just 3. That's it. 3 simple rules.
Rule number 1. Pick 2 colors, and I mean it, just 2. Think of your favorite sports team. You see their colors, you immediately know who they are. That's the power we're going for here. Simple and strong.
Next up, Rule 2. Pick 1 font. That's it. 1 style of writing. Using that same font on everything you make is absolutely key to making it all feel like it came from the same place.
And rule number 3, well, you just have to use those 2 colors and that 1 font on everything. Your website, your brochures, the banner on the front gate. Think of it like a uniform. It makes you look like a single, unified team.
Okay, so we've got the rules down, but how do you actually choose your look? How do you pick those colors and that font? Let's get into the how-to.
When it comes to picking your color, there's actually a little bit of psychology to it. Different colors give off different feelings. If you want to seem trustworthy and professional, blue is a fantastic choice. If you're all about nature or health, green is your go-to. Just pick one main color that matches your college's personality, and then just pair it with white. Simple.
And for the font? Look, I'm going to make this super easy for you. Just pick Montserrat. Seriously, it's clean, it's professional, and it just works. Think of it like a crisp white shirt. It always looks good. You can't go wrong.
So, you might be wondering, does this super simple approach actually work in the real world? Oh yeah, 100%. Let me show you an example.
So check out this story about Sunshine College. They picked dark blue and white. They chose the Montserrat font, and they put it on everything. So what happened? They went to this huge education fair with like 50 other colleges, and parents saw their banner from across the room and said, "Oh, there's Sunshine College." They were recognized instantly. That is a huge advantage.
And please, whatever you do, don't make this mistake. This is the #1 trap. Using different colors for every social media post makes you look like 4 different colleges, not 1. You want to be on the right. Every single thing you put out looks and feels the same. That's how you build a real brand.
All right, are you ready to do this? Good, because you can literally get this whole thing sorted out in just 1 week. Here's your simple 5-day plan to make it happen.
Seriously, look how simple this is. Monday, you pick your color. Tuesday, you get the font name. By Wednesday, you've written down the new rule. And by Friday, everybody in the whole college knows what's happening. It is that achievable.
Because in the end, that's what it all comes down to. This is the magic formula. The same colors plus the same font used everywhere means people will remember you. It's really that simple. So the real question you have to ask yourself now is, what do you want people to remember?